Last episode on the vlog.
Well, good morning, guys. So we woke up. Zach was walking down to go surf because he thought that Nick was surfing because his longboard was gone and he was gone. My board is unfortunately stolen.
Give us the breaking news.
I just got a text that my board has been found.
The Bing, dude! The stolen surfboard has been found! We gotta go pick it up. Good morning, guys. We're starting off this day with a little Instagram shoot, a little thumbnail shoot, but ran into a bit of an issue here. We have some down plumbing. So definitely hit like a bump and it scraped the plumbing. It actually caused the drain pipe inside the van to disconnect because it just like jammed up. And so everything that all the water that went into the sink flooded down into the cabinet. So that was, trying to get all that water up was heavy. This water stinks so bad. Okay. All right, we are on the way to get some purified water. 40 gallons of purified water. So we're about to go see what it's all about. So it's looking like we made it to the water place. It's looking kind of weird. Okay, that might work. If cool. Okay, hold that there for me. Yes. See? 40 gallons of freaking purified water, boys. Bueno.
¿Cuál es el tanque?
What's that?
El tanque.
Oh, 40 gallons.
150. Not only did we have to convert gallon tank to liters, but we had to figure out how many pesos per liter to gallons to dollars to pesos to Spanish to English. But basically it cost us like $6 to fill up our water tank with purified water.
So worth it.
We're stoked.
We found the bucks, yo. The tacos and the churro guy. We gotta find him. We're headed to the bucks. We're uploading the content for you guys.
Uh-oh.
And we got a uh-oh. Alright guys, we made it back to the van after a heavy upload session. We are headed to a spot we found on iOverlander, and it looks like it's directly on the beach, which is something we haven't scored yet since we got here, but it seems like it might require four-wheel drive. I don't know. It's also dark, so might be super cool. I'll see you guys there. Whoa, it just got real. Alright, so we were trying to get to this spot, and the GPS was telling us to go under this like super short bridge, and we definitely were not gonna make it. So we lost Nick in the process of taking the exit for the bridge. I caught up to him and got behind him in traffic, and then he pulled a U-turn where the GPS told us to go left. So funny thing about this is we texted Nick and told him to take a left instead of doing a U-turn. But we're waiting for him at this road close to the spot, and there's a churro stand. We have been trying to get churros ever since we got here, dude. When we were in Sayulita, like the first day, there was a guy walking by in the morning and we heard him go, churros! Looked out the window, had a basket full of churros. That was the only other time that I've seen churros since we got here, and I've been trying to find them, and this is how we found them. So it works out. It always works out, dude. There he is. The crazy thing, so I took that left, or that right, off the road, and it took us down. We were supposed to go under this bridge, but the bridge was super short. We were supposed to go under that bridge and go straight, and we'd end up down at the beach.
Dude, forget that. There was no straight. I went under there and checked out that straight road. It looked like a river.
Okay, crap. But we found a churro stand, and Amanda's getting churros, dude.
Yeah, she texted me.
Yeah, dude. Oh my God.
Those churros?
Dude.
Those.
They're pretty small.
Dude. No freaking way.
And there was
Finally.
6 pesos a churro.
Yes.
Like bread.
Oh my God, so good.
Is it even a vlog in Mexico if you don't get stuck at least once? I suppose we've made a bit of progress. I don't really know what's going on. I'm too stressed. My biggest nightmare is getting any car stuck in anything, so. So someone else came and brought 2 wooden planks, and they've lined it with stones, which I guess they're thinking is gonna help us get out of this hole.
It was working at first, and then the jerk,
Right.
dude, it was like, this ain't 2,000 pounds. Sick.
Van Life Mexico.
Good morning, guys. We're living a tragic life right now, dude. I might have a banging breakfast and my BB here with me, but we forgot to get coffee yesterday. Devastation, dude. Okay, so we just got kicked out by the police, so we are leaving. Give us the breaking news.
I just got a text from the original guy that you found on the beach that my board has been found.
That's so sick.
That's insane. The Bing, dude. The stolen surfboard has been found.
Oh my God.
No freaking way.
Dude, I have a feeling.
I know, I didn't feel like it was gone, you know? Like I didn't feel that like, oh, it's gone feeling.
Where is it?
Yeah, where are we going? Where are we headed now, dude? No way.
Yay, my
oh my
Bing.
God. Sick.
Hey, hola, amigo.
Hola.
Yay.
We gotta go pick it up.
Tengo un traductor en inglés en el celular. ¿Dónde vive usted?
I don't know even what to ask. Surfboard. No comprende. ¿Qué cae? Ooh. Can you repeat? Repeat. Repetir? Okay. Okay.
So we're currently trying to figure out exactly where the board is. Sounds like maybe, my guess would be a pawn shop. We don't really know. We're waiting for a response from Javier, who is the guy who claims to have found it. So once we hear back from him, we'll be able to figure out where we need to go and go pick it up, I guess. Maybe do some convincing that it's our board.
I have so many pictures, it's like...
Yeah, this is gonna be interesting, guys.
So, on Facebook, Javier has said that he found my board. He sent me a live location of where he is in Higuera Blanca. Basically sent me a couple pictures of a pink building. I don't really know. I guess that's where it is. I guess that's where he is right now. So hopefully we will meet him and find my board, but a little scary because not really sure what we're walking into. But Javier's profile picture is him with a surfboard, so that's good. So that's good. See you soon, Javier. I hope you have my board for reals and it's okay. Okay, we just pulled up to like a random building, which is where Javier sent me a picture of. Riley won't get out of my way. We're gonna go see if we can talk to someone. We don't know where we are. There you go, babe.
Guess I'm just gonna point the camera at people, so, okay.
Hold it like not.
I mean, this thing is very obvious.
Hola.
Hola.
Hola, Gloria, mucho gusto. Pásale. Déjeme, se pica. Acá está.
Oh my god! Yay.
No way! Oh my gosh, yeah.
Where did it come from?
No way.
It even has a leash still.
What? What?
What kind of bark was that?
Oh my gosh. Wow.
En el monte. Estaba en el monte. La aventaron al monte.
Monte?
Al monte. Sí, a
Huh.
Braño.
Hey, let's see.
El monte a... El monte. Monte. Tete.
How's it look?
It looks a little scratched up.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my gosh!
Crazy. Wow. Wow.
I don't know what
I
to
know,
say.
right? Oh my gosh. A high five?
Por nada. Por nada.
Yes. See. Woo.
Come with me.
Oh my gosh. Dang. Gracias. Wow. Okay. That was really easy. I don't even know.
You want to get the shot right here?
Yeah.
You guys got it.
Okay, let's see. Oh,
Wow.
gracias
Por
mucho.
nada. Por nada.
So thankful.
Servir.
Wow. Okay.
Well, have a great day. Buenos dias.
Gracias. Está bien.
Just like that, the board is back in the van, dude. So huge, crazy beans. Huge shout out to Francisco and Javier, dude, because without you guys, dude, that board would not be back. And thanks everyone who shared the post. Oh my gosh, like, thanks to anyone who helped with this. The little community is super awesome, and we would not have the board back without you guys, so. Woo! For the shred, boys and girls. And now we're headed to La Lancha to go surf.